Hello.
Yeah, hello. Hi, Ravi. Hi, Sampath.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, good. How are you both doing? How was the project work? Submission,
Yeah,
everything?
doing good. Everything is good. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, let's get it started. And hope in the holidays you got a chance to go ahead and look at the different build options with the other coding language like those Java and Python and the Node and everything.
Yeah. We tried to build it but
Okay.
we got few errors. I tried
Errors.
I tried Java and Python.
Great, great, great. That's good. That's good. If you get error only, you should be happy so that you know something is wrong and you're getting something to learn more, right? So errors are always good. So when you get error, be happy and try to resolve that error so that you will learn more in that errors only.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You want me to look at the error and guide there, or we can continue with the class and then at the end of the class we'll look at the errors.
Okay, we'll continue with the class and we'll look at the errors. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So who is going to share the screen?
Yeah, I will share the screen.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, before doing that, let me. Yeah, you can view my screen.
Yes, yes, I can see it.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. I think last time we had the build pipeline created, and we had an app service that we created in your college account, right? But that was not working. So, do you have a free Azure portal created?
Yeah, this is my free account, which was recently done. So it's my free one. Shall
Oh,
I open Azure Portal also?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Please open Azure also. Portal.azure.com. It will take you there.
We need to go here.
I think no, just enter portal.azure.com in the main
Here,
URL. No, in the
main
main
URL.
URL.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Just type in portal.azure.com. Yes, yes. Yeah, it will take you to that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think let's go ahead and create the app service. I think app service is not created, no?
No.
Okay, okay. Let's create it quickly. Click on create button. Yeah, yeah, it is taking time. Yeah, take the resource group. Click on create new for the resource group. Resource group, yeah. Give anything like app service demo. There should be no space whenever you're creating the name.
Okay.
Okay, web app name. Let's go ahead and give the web app name. You can give Azure App Service Demo 1, something like that. It should be unique. So, okay, yeah. And the runtime, let it be publish will be code. Runtime stack, you can select .NET 6, the first one. Okay, yeah, come down. App service plan, it will be created and it will be free one. That is okay. Yeah, click on next for the deployment. Yeah, I think everything should be the standard one only. You can click on review and create itself because we have already seen this in the last class. We'll create it directly and then we'll, hit on create. Yeah, meanwhile it is creating. Let's go to Azure DevOps and let's try to create a new release pipeline. Before that, the normal pipeline, do you have? Yeah, you need to take the repos, right? I think Sampath had it. Here we don't have the build pipeline, right? So we don't have the artifact yet. We need to take that artifact and then deploy it in the release pipeline, no? Let me do
Yeah.
one thing. I have one more clone URL, but that solution is different actually. So Sampath, can you share him the clone URL, your project clone URL, so that he will clone it here and we can quickly do the build pipeline and release pipeline?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Can we go to the repos meanwhile? Yeah, here let him give us the link. We can directly, okay. If you're a part of his organization or here even Sampath is added to your organization, if Sampath is added, you can directly hit import project and just give the URL, the project will be imported. Let's see if we can do that. Let him provide the URL. Let's see. Yeah, there if you click on import repository and provide the link that he is providing, if it is within the same organization, right, then you will be able to clone it directly. But I think it is a different organization. No, Sampath's is a different organization.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, it's a different.
We can add the user, right?
Yeah, we can add the user, but the project will be different. No, project and organization will be different. In case if you have access to Sampath's organization, you can log in there.
Yeah, I have kept that one in the chat box. We go ahead and choose that one. Copy the link and paste over there.
Yeah. Go ahead and copy the link where Sampath has pinged you in the chat.
It is asking his credentials actually.
Yeah, the credentials you can provide. Okay, I think you've created it using Gmail, right? So both will be different organization. That's okay. Clone
Yeah.
URL. Take the clone URL and then let's do the Git clone only. Or one moment. Copy the URL. You've copied the URL what Sampath gave, no?
Let me just a second. Yeah, I copied it.
Go to this import. Yeah, there. Click on import repository. Yeah, give the URL. Okay, requires authorization. Okay, so Sampath, whenever you hit the clone button there, there you see you need to generate credentials. Okay, can you click that? It will give you your username and password.
Just a second. Clone. Yeah, generate Git credentials.
Yes.
So it says, okay. The username is skv287s.
You can ping both username and password here. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pinging the password.
Yeah.
The password is, oh my god, it's really crazy.
That will be the unique PAT kind of structure.
Yeah, I have done.
Yeah,
You
take
need to
this.
copy it, I think.
Yeah, you need to copy and paste it here. Yes. Import it. Okay, import is in
Okay,
progress.
okay.
If you give the credentials, right, it will automatically do it from any other Azure DevOps organization's Git. But in case if you just want to give without the credentials, you should be part of that organization.
Okay.
Yeah, import is successful.
Okay, okay, great. So now I want you to quickly take up the pipeline, go to the pipeline, build the pipeline for it because we don't have the pipeline here. Yeah, create pipeline. Classic editor only you use. Below you see a small hyperlink, right? Yes. Okay, web application master is fine. Continue. Empty job. Click on empty job. Yeah, click on plus button here. Okay, by the way, in this project, do you have access to MS hosted agent or have you configured self-hosted? If not, then again that will be taking a little bit of time. Okay, it's better we can ask Sampath to share because again that is we have already seen that. No, we don't want to waste time in that.
Okay then.
Got it right?
Yeah,
I
I
think
got
self
it. That's no
is
problem.
not.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if it is a new organization, no, again for the MS hosted, you will have to raise a request. It will take another 3 to 4 days.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
Yeah, Sampath, can you please share your screen?
Yeah, just a moment.
Sure, sure.
But I am using my university mail, so
Okay, that's okay. Like you can close that, no? You can close that. We will be using only the pipelines, no?
okay.
Hope your Azure portal is ready, Sampath.
Yeah, just a second. I am logging to in.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. And from next time, no, whenever whoever is sharing, make sure that we have all the step till the last class, okay, so that we don't repeat it again. There are more things to cover, that's why. Okay, we can see your screen. Okay, let's go to, I think releases is already there here, no? Yeah, it is already there. Go to edit. Yeah, here one job, one task. There, let's go ahead and configure for app service. Yes, click there. Click on that task. No, not this one. Not this one. Close this. Yeah. Click on that link. Click on that link. Yeah. Click on Azure App Service Deploy. We have disabled it, no? Yeah. Below that we have. Yeah. Enable that. Right click and enable that. Yeah, let's go to the Azure subscription. From the drop down, select if you're able to see if you're able to select the subscription where you have created the Azure portal. Is it the same subscription? No, right? I think this was your university one, no? The one which you created now will be your Gmail one. Correct? Okay, let's do one thing. It's not listed out here. Disable this one. We'll go and add it again using the service connection. Okay, yeah, disable this. Let's go to the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, do we have app service created?
I think we did.
No, this is your universities, right? So I don't think we have we have the proper permission to create the service principal here. So I wanted you to create one more Azure portal using the Gmail account. Like you need to sign up using the Gmail account.
Okay, is that okay? That's what the question. If I use the two different mails here, that will work.
No, you will have to sign out from your in this one.
Okay.
Call a university account, and then you will have to use the Gmail one.
Oh,
I think you have not. No. I think you have not created an account using Gmail. Is that?
I have an account using my Gmail for Microsoft, I think.
Okay.
It says pass.
You can click on reset also. We'll see. It worked.
So do I need to give the again credit card?
I think because start with an Azure free trial, right? Yeah, you don't have the Azure free trial. Just click on start. Anyways, I think, yeah, you will have to give those details. Otherwise, we can also do one more thing where Ravi already had the account created. No, Ravi can create and share us the credentials so that we can use that app service only in our application. If this is going to take time.
Yeah.
Ravi, can you share us those things?
You need my Azure Portal credentials here.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
And later on, Sampath, you can create it using your this thing, because one free account we definitely require. Okay, because going forward we'll be creating different services. So in order to understand it more clearly, you will need that.
Okay. While I am trying to cancel this one, it says it's unable to cancel. So that's what the question.
You can just cancel that from the portal only, like the main URL, right? You just close the tab itself.
Okay.
Oh, you will have to log in again, right? Go
Yeah.
to that. Go to this one. Go to Azure Portal.
Here,
Yeah,
right?
here. Yeah, here you give logout.
Yeah.
Sign out. Yeah. Yeah, now you can use it. Okay, now let's hit on Azure. So I think the Azure service is created, no? Yeah, what we can do is that we'll have to create one app registration. Okay, yeah. Can you go to those three icons to your left-hand side above? Yes, there. And let's click on Azure Active Directory. Click on Add App Registration. You can give this a name as app service only. Okay, just scroll down. Don't give the space between app and service.
It says it accepted here.
Yeah, it accepted, but for us, whenever again we are going to use
Okay.
from the code and all, no, %20 should be added for the space. So that is the reason.
Okay.
Just scroll down. In select a platform, just see what is the option you have.
Public web and single
That
page.
is not required. That is not required. If app service was there, that okay. You can just hit on register. Okay, one second. So here, when you register it, you have the application ID and the tenant ID. And then if you want to have, okay, the passwords, you will have to go there. Fine. So can you, okay, application directory is fine. Okay, can you click on add a certificate or secret under the client credentials? In the same place, Yeah, you see client credentials? Yes, there. About, yes. Click on there. Click on new client secret. Enter a description. You can give app service secret. Okay, expires here, let it be 6 months. Click on add. Okay, once you add it, you will get a secret key here. Okay, you will have to copy that secret value. Copy this. It will be only one time. Okay, so as soon as you create, you will have to store it somewhere. Yeah, copy that and store it in a notepad. Okay, okay. Now let's get back to Azure Portal. Yeah, go to project settings. Click on service connections. Yeah, create a service connection. Okay, let it be Azure Classic only, or give Azure Resource Manager. Yes. Scroll down and click on next. Give service principal manual. Yeah, these are the 4 options that you can get authenticated from Azure. Okay, so right now we are looking at manual because we are going to give the details manually. Automatic is recommended in case if you have that account. Okay, because right now we are using the others account. No, that's why automatic, if you give, it will be giving you your university's account. Okay, and we have an option to register, means connect to the service connection to the account using managed identity and published profile also. So these 2 approaches, I'll be giving it to you. Managed identity will be in case if you are part of that AAD and you want to register, you can come and use using the option managed identity. In case of published profile, in case if you don't have any of these things, published profile will be an option for your access, where you can download that file and you can upload that file also as the connection. Okay, so other 2 things I'll be leaving it for you to go ahead and check out. Right now, let's go ahead with the service principal with manual. Click on next. So here it will be asking you for if you're giving the scope at subscription level. So it is better to give it at the main level only, so that you will be having access to all the resources inside the subscription. Okay, yeah, subscription. We'll have to give subscription ID. Okay, yeah, can you go back to Azure Portal? Click on type subscriptions in the search bar. I don't think here will be getting. Go to the overview. Here this is the directory ID. In the main search bar, just type subscriptions. Not there. Above you see, yeah, there. Just type subscriptions. Yeah, you see that? The first one. This is the subscription ID, 399.
This.
One second. But why is the name showing Azure subscription one? Okay. Say with same name you have created it, Ravi. Because even for the for your college account also, we saw the name as subscription Azure subscription one only. Okay. Copy this subscription ID. Yeah, let's go ahead and paste it in Azure DevOps. Okay, next subscription name, and then yeah,
Service principal ID.
service principal ID, you will have to go to the app registration. That will be your app ID. Go to Azure Active Directory, app registration, yeah. Click on app service. Yeah, that will be your app ID. And the secret you have already copied, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can give that secret. Yeah, tenant ID, let's go back to Azure Portal under, yeah, click on app service here. Display name, yeah. If you go inside, you will be getting the tenant ID. Directory tenant ID, yeah, 5DE, yeah, that one. Now click on verify. Okay, why verification failed? Once you can go above, it will be telling you the error. Failed to query service connection API. Okay. Let's go back to Azure Portal. It is saying it does not have proper permission. Okay. Yeah, one second. No. We are under the app service only. That is right. You will have to give. Let's go to the owners. Here to your left hand side, you see manage. Under manage, you see owners. That is okay. Go to app roles. Create app role. Okay. Display name you give. Anything you can just give. Both you allow both users, groups, and applications. Yeah, just give write only. Write. You can give write permission. Yeah. Capital W. Okay. One moment. Yeah, you can apply on it. Click on apply.
It says enabled.
Enable, right? One moment. Okay, Okay, do we have any application type here? App rule is okay. Go to roles and administrators. Okay, okay. This already has cloud application administrator built in. That's okay. Just scroll down to your left hand side with that overview bar. Yeah, scroll down.
Oh, there's nothing to.
That's all right. That's all. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. One second. It is okay. Let's do one more thing. Can you click on the cloud shell? Because here, this one, maybe we have not given the full roles. Okay, while creating the app registration also, it should give us an option to create the app registration for the app type, that is your application type. Okay, so can we click on directory and try to create one more app registration? Let's see if the application type is there. Yeah, go to Azure Active Directory, app registrations. Yeah, that's yeah, new registration. Here we did not have an option to choose for application, is it?
Yeah, who can use this application or access this API? We can keep like that.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
for the last app creation, we just get the first one like single
First
tenant.
one, single tenant, yeah.
Maybe we can choose this one like multi-tenant and personal Microsoft.
Yeah, that will also work actually. I was say okay. Yeah,
Or
yeah,
this.
because this is okay. And see here, redirect URL. Oh, that is option. That is the redirect option. That is okay. That is okay. Yeah, let's create a registration with that and try to use it there. Yeah. With app service 2. Yeah. The UI has been little bit changed compared to the old Azure portal. Okay, so now they have added this option. Before we had an option to select for web application also, like web app.
So
Okay,
do I need to choose this, stay with this one, or do I need to change it?
let it be with that one only. Let's see if we are able to access it through that.
Okay, register.
Yeah, go ahead and register. Okay, okay. Here also we'll have to add the app's secret.
Secret key.
Secret key, yeah.
It's on. Client
Click on that
permission.
link. Click on that link.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Just click on that link. Yeah, it will take you to that. Yeah, can we use these credential? Yeah, copy this credential. Not secret ID. It should be secret value.
Do I need to change the settings here?
Yeah, you'll have to change the settings here.
The ID should be changed, right?
Yeah, ID, secret also. Yeah. Oh, go to overview. Oh, overview. You will get those ID.
Service principal ID.
Service principal ID you need, right? That will be
Yeah.
your application ID only. Application ID itself.
Okay.
So app registration and service principal both are same. Okay. So app ID will be equal to service principal only. Same error you're getting.
It says forbidden.
1 second. The client 6.8. Where is that client 6.8? Okay, in the Azure cloud options, can you just click a drop down if we have anything else here? Oh, this is for the other China cloud, German cloud. Okay, that is okay. That is okay. Okay, let's go to the portal, Azure portal. Why it is saying like that? 1 second, 1 second. Are we not giving any access? Okay, just scroll down, scroll down. Okay. Go to view API permissions. Add a permission here.
Oh, which one? Azure DevOps?
Yeah, click on Azure DevOps.
Okay.
This is for REST APIs actually. This is not okay. Go to okay. You cannot click on application permissions, right? Right now you're in delegated permissions, right? You
Yeah.
have okay. Just give full access to this. But this is not what we are looking at. Okay, this what this will do is that it will give you the access for the REST APIs, VSTS REST APIs. Okay, just hit on add permissions. It is only giving you API permissions, but why it is giving only app API? We need to check. Okay, add permissions.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Click on add permissions again. Add a permission. APIs, my APIs. Click on my APIs.
Oh, my APIs.
Click on app service here. Select that app service. Below that,
This one?
yeah.
Yeah.
Give permission, right? Add permission. What is it not granted for default? Okay, that's okay. Click on it is already saved, right? Yeah, click there. No, let that be there. Okay, now you can go ahead and hit on authorize. Go to the Azure DevOps. Now click on verify. Scroll down. Yeah, hit on verify. Same one. Okay, let's do one thing. Go back to the portal. There is some issue with this. We'll debug it later. Go to the Azure Cloud Shell. There is a small button like, what was that? We had not, okay, not this one. In the portal, the main search bar is there, right? Yeah. Beside that, you see a small icon called as PowerShell, kind of an icon to your right hand side, the first icon. Yes, that is called as Cloud Shell. Click on that. Yeah, click on Bash only. Create storage. We'll try to create the SP from the Azure CLI and see. Okay. Right now, we tried from the portal using the app registration, but it is having some issue with the while creating the permission. Okay. So I'll figure that out and I'll let you know in the next class if that doesn't work.
I think we have changed the permissions for the first app. I think app services maybe.
Now this is for app 2 only. No, you have given the details of app 2 only, right? In the portal, in the Azure DevOps service connection.
Yeah, but in the portal we have changed the app 1 service, app 1 permissions, I think.
Okay. Okay, app 1 we gave right permission. Okay, that means app we have given app 2 to take the access for app 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So yeah, we'll figure that out. Let's try to create it from the CLI and use it, okay, for time being.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So here, if you want to create the SP, I want you to go to the Google and search there only. Okay. I'll not give you the command directly. Let's go ahead. Yeah. Go to the Google and search creating service principal in Azure. Yeah. Enter. Come down, create the first one. Take the first one. Yeah, that one. That link. Okay, it is giving you from the portal. Okay, we want from the CLI, right? Go back to the this one, Google. Yeah, creating service principal in Azure using CLI.
I think this one, second one.
Yeah, Azure CLI. Go to that. Go to that. Copy that command. AZAD SP create for RBAC. RBAC stands for role-based access control. Okay. Yeah, paste it. No, you will have to do right click and paste. Okay. So this command I want you to go through, but it is a pretty straightforward command. Okay. AZ is used for Azure CLI, AD for Azure Directory, SP for Service Principal, create for RBAC is for create this for the role-based access control. Okay. Now you have all these information, right? App ID, display name, password, tenant. Okay. Just copy this one and paste it in the notepad. Yeah, you can just copy it like that only. Copy full app ID also, so that you will know which one is the app ID and everything. Yeah, paste it here. Not subscription ID. Subscription ID, let that be there. Yeah, so change the service principal ID. Yeah, you change this one. Tenant also mostly it will be same. Yeah, 5D only. Just change the password. Yeah. Service principal key. Yeah, change that. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, just click on verify now. That's okay. Tenant ID will be same. Okay, okay, yeah. So here also it is failing. Let's just go about. Service principal. Subscription ID we are. Okay, let's go back to Azure Portal. Just copy these details and paste it in a notepad. Let's see, I think there is some issue with the permission of the Azure Portal. Okay, that is what it says. Yeah, copy all these 4 values. Yeah, from there, copy and paste it in a notepad. Because once we navigate, maybe the CLI will vanish. So that is the reason. Okay, tenant ID, this is fine. Okay, here can you go to the default directory and app registrations? Let's see if this app is created. Go to default directory. Yeah, click on default directory above after the home. Yes, yes, there. Okay, app registration, scroll down a little bit because we have the CLI, right? So there is only one application now. Just refresh. Okay, see now we have created through the CLI, right? That Azure CLI 2022. So that also got created, okay. But why it is not? Both are same, okay. We tried creating from the CLI and one from the other 2 from this one. So let's go to the app service. Yeah, let's go to the app service. Scroll down. View API permissions. Oh, this is for API. Go back. Yeah, click on just app service. Scroll down. Scroll down. Once again, it is first one is for view API permissions, then view quick start guide, and then the other one is for enterprise applications. Configure single sign-on mode enterprise application. Okay, enterprise. Go to enterprise applications. Let's see if we can see our application there, or maybe we'll have to use APIs only. I think. Let's see. Okay, application ID, object ID, fine. Okay. Okay, you will have to the application, secure this one, self-service. Okay, give the first one. Assign user and group. Yes. Click on that link. Assign users and groups. The small link. Yes. Add user or group. Users select. None selected is there. No. Click on that. None selected URL. Yeah. Select that user. Yes. Select. No, it's already selected. Yeah. Just hit on select. The one user selected. Assign. Go to assign. Okay. Owners, I think, go to owners options. Ravi is already the owner. Okay, just click on add. Yeah, add Ravi as the owner. Select. Okay, go to the overview. Okay, copy this application ID. Okay, go back. Go back to app service and let's go to the secrets. Yeah, select that. Now go to secrets, you see. Yeah, click that. You've copied this value, right? It will not come. You will not be able to copy the value. It is there in your notepad. No, copy that one. Yeah, the first one. No. The first one, it was starting with -5Z, right? That is only the value, is it? Or did we miss the value?
Yeah, we did.
No, that's okay. Create a new client secret. Click on new client secret. Yes. Yeah, you can give app service 2 or something. Yeah. Give add. Now you can copy that. Yeah, go to service principal key. Change it.
So the principal ID is going to be same or it will change?
No, principal ID will be same.
Okay.
Principal ID will be your app ID. No, app ID will be same. The secret is fine. Now click on verify.
We do not require to change the tenant ID.
No. Tenant ID, it will be on the same directory. No.
Okay. It says same.
Okay, let's go back to Azure Portal. We'll need to figure out why this is showing. Okay, it is saying something wrong with the subscription ID. Okay, let's go back to the click on subscriptions actually. Search the subscriptions. Yeah, click on subscriptions. Okay, click on this subscription name. Just scroll down. I just want to make sure if this is the one we have created from the mail, okay, because otherwise how we'll have, okay, go to access control IAM. Yes, that one. View my access. Okay, this you have owner access only. That is okay. That is okay. Okay. Fine. I think it is taking time for us to figure out this one. Okay, so do one thing. Ravi, you share me the credentials for this particular account. Okay, this is a new account only. No, I'll figure out why this is taking time, and you guys can also see why it is taking time. Okay, means why it is not getting registered. I'll also try doing it through the service principal from my account also, test account, and see why it is not doing. Okay, maybe it is because of some permission issue. Okay, we need to figure that out. This one, once we figure it out, we can go ahead with the release pipelines. Okay, meanwhile, what I want you to do is that Yeah, I'll just save this. Once this is done, I'll anyways, tomorrow we can connect on this. Okay. Sorry?
Sorry.
This is some permission issue only. I'm pretty sure on it. We'll have to check about it. I'll check that. Okay. I'll check and update you on that.
Yeah, okay.
This should be an easier task only. I'm not sure why it is taking a lot of time. Now the Azure portal, right? They keep on updating new features in the portal. Okay, so it will not be the same old portal that we were using before. So now for the app registration also, it is a little bit different. Like you see an option for APIs, you see an option for managing your enterprise application, those things, right? So based on that, we'll have to provide the permission and check out why it is not working. So we'll continue in the next class. Okay, so next class, after this pipeline thing, we'll be going ahead and looking at Azure portal only, because we already have the portal. So we will understand about the Azure cloud, so several definitions, and also what is your availability sets and all those things, in order to understand how we'll be taking the services from Azure portal. And also a few services we'll be looking into is your Azure virtual machines. We'll also be looking at the networks, sub networks, and the storage explorer also, like what are the different types of storage that the Azure provides us. App service we have already created, and we'll be seeing that also. So not all those services will be covering, but the major services that you will require as a DevOps. Okay, so we'll be covering that. Okay, and for this error, I'll give you an update by tomorrow. Okay, I'll also have to check why, because whatever we have tried, I think all are valid tries only, but it should work with that. Let me check why it is not working. Okay.
Okay, I have a doubt, like
Yeah, go
for
ahead.
for Azure DevOps, we use like for DevOps, like we use mostly what kind of scripting language, like
PowerShell, PowerShell.
okay, PowerShell. Okay.
PowerShell and Bash, both of them. Because why I'm saying both is because as a DevOps, they'll expect you to automate things, right? So for that, you will definitely need one scripting language experience. Okay. PowerShell will be used for all the Windows machines. Like in case of the companies are having Windows machines and you want to automate, they'll be using Windows PowerShell. But in case if there are Linux machines and you want to automate, then they will be using Bash scripting or Python.
Okay.
Okay, but I will suggest you to go ahead and learn with PowerShell only. So I'll tell you, it's not required for you to learn all the different tools. Okay, like PowerShell also, Python also, Bash also. Learn only one tool properly. Like learn PowerShell. For the other tools, it will be only the syntax. Okay, you just have to crack the logic. That is all. Using the syntax in any language that they give you should be easier for you. Like even if they ask you to use Golang also, you should be able to do it if you know the logic.
Okay.
Okay,
And
syntax
also,
is
yeah,
straightforward.
and also like I'm very eager to see like a real-time project like doing Azure DevOps. Like I would like to
I
see
will,
that.
I will give you assignments for that. But right now we are just learning pipelines and learning all these things, right? So there are many other tools also, right? Right now, I would say we have completed only 20 to 30%. Okay. So
Okay.
once the pipelines is done, we will be going ahead and seeing the other tools also, like your Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes. Okay. So that time, after learning all those things, I will give you a practical project where I am also working right now.
Okay.
Okay, just for a real-time experience. And also I will give you a few assignments where I have already completed. So a few projects which I've already completed, I'll give you that requirement. You can go ahead and work on it. Okay.
Okay.
You will get more experience working that way. So I don't give you any, what is that? Any booklet or documents like that. I'll give you my own requirement only, which I have already done. So I will also be seeing how you guys will tackle that. Is it only the approach what I have followed? Because in DevOps, we will have different approaches, right? So it is up to you how you can do that automation. I'll give you automation requirement. You can go ahead and do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll connect tomorrow then. Huh?
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.